Hello everyone, welcome back to your ICT class. Hope you all are fine and safe. And the video number is 5. Hope you have watched the last video. I think it's clear to you. Just we will memorize what all are the important things which we have discussed in the last class. We have discussed about text editing. We know about the cursor, vertical blinking line which denotes the position is known as the cursor, and also we discussed about the delete key and backspace key for editing the text and for removing the unwanted words, and also we discussed about the selection methods. 3 selection methods are there: click and drag, single click, double click and triple click, and about the copy, cut and paste. So in this section we will be studying more about the text editing, and also we will be studying how to save a file and how to place the saved file in a folders. Okay, so what is a saving? If we want to reuse the work done previously by us in a computer, we have to store such files. I will tell with an example. I write a poem. After that, after 1 month or 2 months, I have to check the poem again. I need the poem again. So we have to store that poem. When we store that file in the computer, then only we can take it after 1 month or 2 months or in future. So for doing that thing, there is an option called saving. Okay, we can use the save option to store the file for future. Okay, so I will be telling how to save a file, and also if we want to arrange the saved files properly, we can use the folders. After saving the file, if we keep these files in a folder, it will be placed in that for the future use. Okay, so I will be discussing about these things in this session. Okay, so this is an untitled document. Okay, this is a poem of Taj Mahal. Some few lines are here. So this is an untitled document. So I am going to save this file. Okay, I am going to save this file. So you can see how I am doing it. You can see in the file menu there is an option, file. I am clicking on the save option. So they are asking where I have to save. I am saving it in the desktop, and directly I am saving this file to a folder. So here you can see an option, create folder. Click on that create folder, and in that place I am typing the folder name as standard 8, and after that, to activate this folder, click on the enter key. So you can see the folder gets activated. Next I have to place my file in this folder. So for that I am giving the file name as Taj Mahal, and I am saving here it. Click on the save button. So now we can see our file is saved or not. So here you can see the folder standard 8 which we have created now. Click on that folder. Did you see the file here? So directly I have saved the file tajmahal.odt in the standard 8 folder. Okay, either you can create the folder in this format, or right click here, you will get the options new folder, new document, like that. So from that also we can create a new folder. Okay, and for opening the folder we have another method. Either you can double click on that created folder, the folder gets opened, or right click on that, you will get an option for open. Click on the open, the folder will get open. Okay, so if you want to create a subfolder, okay, if you want to create a subfolder, then also we can do like that. Here click on that, open the folder, and here right click on that opened folder. They will be asking about the new folder. Here also when I will be creating a subfolder. Okay, I am naming it as subfolder. Create. Okay, so then close it. So when I open this main folder, you can see a subfolder here. See that? So in this way we can create folders and subfolders and we can save the file. So hope it is clear to you. This is an important thing which we have to keep in mind. How to save the file and how to keep the saved file in folders or subfolders. Okay. So this much it is okay. And the next thing we have to keep in mind is we already typed a poem. There are many tools and methods to make the characters more beautiful in a beautiful format. Okay, there are a lot of tools and methods are there. We can make all the text or all the lecture what we have written in the LibreOffice Writer in the document. We can make it in a beautiful format. Okay, so how we will be discussing what all are the steps which help us to do that. Okay, so now you can see this is the poem which I have done and I have saved the poem. My file name is tajmahal.odt and I place it in the folder. Now I am going to make changes here. Okay, now I am going to give color, I am increasing its size, and also a lot of other methods I am going to utilize here. Okay, so you can see in the textbook, you can see here this is a table, and in this table they are saying about the different styles which we can use in the text. Okay, so how we will be using that. Okay, so first one is default style. Did you see here the red line? To select the new style we are using the default style method. So I will show how I am going to apply that. I am selecting the heading Taj Mahal. I am selecting the heading Taj Mahal. Here you can see the option default style. Click on the default style and this is the Taj Mahal is the heading. So here we have to click the heading 1. So I am clicking the heading 1. Did you see the change of here? Automatically a new style occur for this text. It got bold. The size also changes, right? So this is the style. This is style formatting. Okay, different formats we are going to use here, and the first formatting is style formatting. Okay, next one, what it is written here. So style we have done, and the next one is to save the file. That we already know how to save the file, but here is an option also for saving the file. This red arrow mark, down arrow mark, you can see here. In this form also we can save the file by clicking on this icon or from the file menu, or a shortcut is there in the keyboard, Ctrl+S. Okay, so this is the second option. And the third one, what they are asking is to cut, copy and paste, which we have already studied, right? Which we have already studied how to cut, copy and paste. When I select these two lines, you can get these three options is enabled. This scissors form, it is for cut, this is for copy, and the third one is for paste. We all know the other method also, how to copy, cut and paste. Okay, the next, moving on to change font style. To change, the third one you can see here, the blue line. To change font not third one, sorry, fourth one. The fourth one is to change font style. So here you can see, just a second. So here you can see how we can change the font style. Font style means you can see this line. Okay, this is a particular font. In the this font is in this font family is Liberation Serif. So I am going to change the font family or font name. How I am going to do that? When we click on that, here you can see a lot of other font family. So here I am going to select another, like Chilanga I am going to select. When I select Chilanga, did you see the difference here? Did you see the difference? That line got the font name and the style got changed. Okay, so this is about the font style. Okay, and the next one is to change the font size. The size means the text size. Okay, we can change the font size also. How we can change the font size? I am going to select this. I'm going to select the first line itself. Here you can see the font size. This font name is in Shilanga that we already changed, and here you can see the font size that I'm going to increase like 20. So did you see the difference? Now the letter, the text size of the text increases. Okay, and that is the sixth one. And the seventh one is we can make bold, italics and underline the font. We can make these three things. How we can do that? How we can make the text bold? I will be showing that. I am clicking on this whole line. After that, what I am going to do is I am clicking on this whole line, and I am going to click first one bold. The letter got bold. The second one is italic. It got italic, and the third one is underline. The text got underline. Okay, and the last one is not last one, to insert an image, that I will be discussing in the next session, how to insert an image. The another one is to color the fonts. How we can color the fonts? Select that. Here is the option for coloring. So click on that. Give the suitable color. I am giving the color red. So the color also changes. And the last one is alignment tools. Okay, alignment tools means we can align. We can make it in the any of the side. Okay, so I am selecting this. I am clicking on the. Now it is in the left portion. So I am making it center, or for the right side, or justified. Okay, so this is the options. These all are the options which is available for us to make the document more attractive. Okay, so hope it is clear. So this all things you have to keep in mind while writing the document and all. So just we will summarize. We discussed about the folders and subfolders. We know how to save the file and how to place it in the folders and subfolders, and also how we can beautifully arrange the characters, how we can beautifully arrange the contents in a document. What all are the tools and methods which help us to do that. Okay, so with this much I am ending up the session. Hope it is clear to you. So see you in the next class. So students, this much we will completing the session. The next, before coming to the Google Meet, practice all the activities. Those who have computer, all the activities you have to practice. Just to write a poem in LibreOffice Writer, and poem or any contents you can write in the LibreOffice Writer. After that, with the help of these methods, you can make the changes also, and you can do the text editing also. Okay, so practice all the activities, and others, nothing to worry. Write down all the steps. So once you got a chance, you can practice it. Okay, so you, all the steps will keep you have to keep in mind while doing all the activities. And I have given the homework also. The first question is, what is saving? How we can save file? You all will be knowing that now. Only we have discussed what is saving. Okay, how we can save a file? It's a process, and also we saw the icon to save the file. Okay, and the second one is, what is a folder? Folder means we have to place this saved file in a folder, right? How we can do that? There are one or two steps to create the folder and to place the saved file in the folder. So the second question is, what is a folder and how we can create the folder, or steps to create the folder. And the third one is different methods to beautify the characters. You all will be knowing that in the textbook also there is a table, and they give the arrow mark also. With the arrow mark they have given different steps. So you all will be knowing that. Now only we have discussed that. So after typing a text or after typing any contents, there are different methods to beautify those contents or the characters. So what all are that methods to beautify the characters? So these all you have to write down the homework. Before coming to the Google Meet, you have to be prepared with your homework. So we can discuss it in the coming Google Meet. So hope it is clear to you. See a whole video you have to watch. Okay, because as we are doing the activity, you have to watch whole video, then only you will be getting what we are discussing in the Google Meet. Okay, and also practice activity. So see you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.